Orange County Register, and welcome to OCN2 for Monday, June 16th. Orange County is about to begin issuing marriage licenses to same-sex couples. There were celebrations last month after California's Supreme Court lifted the state's ban on gay marriage. Now about 40 same-sex couples in Orange County have made appointments for tomorrow to apply for a marriage license. California joins Massachusetts as the only states to sanction gay marriage. But opponents here are vowing to put an initiative on the November ballot that would amend the California state constitution to define marriage as only between a man and a woman. Broadcom co-founder and former CEO Henry Nicholas is making another court appearance today. Federal indictments accuse the 48-year-old Nicholas of securities fraud and distributing illegal drugs. The billionaire has been in rehab in Malibu since posting bail, and as a condition of his bail, he is being electronically monitored. Orange County's new sheriff is reacting to a Register investigation that shows Sheriff Department overtime policies enabled most deputies to earn $100,000 a year in 2007. More than 100 deputies earned over $150,000. Overtime spending has tripled in the last 10 years, costing the county more than $41 million. Acting Sheriff Jack Anderson defends the policy, saying it saves more money than if the county were to hire additional deputies. A spokesman for new Sheriff Sandra Hutchins says an extensive audit has been ordered, and if overtime appears to have gone awry, she will correct it. It's a project that's taking green building in Orange County to a new level. The Environmental Nature Center in Newport Beach is on track to receive special recognition for its environmental design. Pending approval from the U.S. Green Building Council, the center could become the first building in Orange County and only the 6th in California to get certification for its energy and environmental design. The building uses recyclable materials throughout and has no air conditioning or heating, but is designed to maximize the environment. All these features could save the center about $20,000 a year. You can check it out yourself. An open house is scheduled for this weekend. Hey, they never offered me this deal, but for Israel Mendoza, a junior at Segerstrom High School, his perfect attendance won him a brand new car, and he doesn't even have his license yet. Mendoza won a 2008 Chevrolet Aveo in a raffle at a Santa Ana dealership this weekend. He was one of about 300 eligible students. An anonymous donor offered to pay license and registration fees for the car, leaving the teen only to pay for insurance. Mendoza says he's going to sign up for driver's ed ASAP. Weekdays, watch Daybreak OC from 6 to 8 a.m. on KDOC and catch Real Orange weekday evenings at 6:30 on KOCE. To read more about all of these stories and to get your breaking news all day, click on OCRegister.com.